in Incorta community. Requirement is I have a chart like this. You can see year and quarter, and for each quarter it's showing total sales. And requirement is by each year and quarter, how can I do cumulative sales by quarter, right? So for Q1, whatever the sale is and whatever the sales for Q2, add those two and then show that under Q2 and so on. Let's see how you can do this in Incorta. Let's go ahead and first create an aggregated table so that I can review the data. So let's do it by year, and let's bring in quarter number as well and total revenue. Now to achieve that cumulative total, all you need to do is for revenue, you need to turn on running total. So you can see here, it's doing the cumulative total and it's getting reset for next year. Okay. And next thing is you just need to convert this into dual x-axis chart. We can call it revenue by year. And then let's make sure that we have selected column here. And let's save this. Okay, so I don't want to show this legend, and this title here is obvious, that's by revenue by year and quarter. So let's hide those. Let's remove the legend. Let's remove title for both x-axis and y-axis. And let's save this. Much better. Now, so this is how you can do this, right? So I think we have shown how to do whatever requirement that we reviewed here in community. Now let's add a few more features in this. For example, how do I dynamically filter for only say last 3 or 4 years? 2010 is the max year here, correct? So let's go ahead and add a presentation variable, and let's call it last n years, and let's call it p_n is the variable name. Make it integer. Default value, I want to always see it by last 2 years, and let's save this. Now I can do an applied filter here so that other insight also filter by that. All I need to do is in this new formula, let's add this. So this is between. Year should be between 2010 minus $PN, whatever value that user is going to enter, and 2010. So this will give me last 10 years. Let's save this. Okay, so default is 2, so it's now showing for last 2 years. Okay, so maybe there's a problem, not 2 years, but showing for last 3 years, 8, 9, and 10. So let's go ahead and review what we did here. So this is 2010 minus 2 is 2008, right? And okay, so maybe I can add +1 here, and then it will be last 10 years. Okay, so this is last 2 years, right? If I change this to say 3, this will be last 3 years, 8, 9, and 10. And then I can also dynamically change the title here. So revenue by year for last n years, right? So okay, so this is last 3 years. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We can also duplicate this to compare, by the way. So for example, I can change this, and here let's remove this and enable values as well. And for this also, let's enable values. Now it is showing you this is cumulative. For example, 5.7 plus 5.6 is 11.4, and so on. So this is how you can do cumulative total by quarter in Incorta. Hope this helps.